Good evening, folks, and welcome to another edition of Homegrown Sounds. I am Marcus Ray. This show is designed to give the folks in New Mexico and surrounding states the opportunity to showcase their talents. Folks, we have a phenomenal talent in Eryn Bent. She has been compared to Joan Baez, Joni Mitchell. Folks, without further ado, Eryn Bent.
Thanks, Marcus. I left, but I took with me feelings, the very same ones I've had for years. But if these feelings are without validation, then tell me and you'll be in the clear. For her it lasted just a moment, short for you but too long for me. My cause is not a short-term fulfillment, but if it's yours, you better let me be. 'Cause I will not hurt you, and I will not take you for granted. And I am here when you decide to let me in. Signs tell me what I want to hear, but I'd rather hear it straight from you. I'll tell you now, I've told you then how I feel, but the question now is what you wanna do. Cause I will not hurt you, and I will not take you for granted. And I am here when you decide to let me in. Tell me if this does not fit together, 'cause I'll either leave or stay. I'll stay forever. Ooh, ooh. And I will not hurt you, and I will not take you for granted. And I am here when you decide to let me in. Let me in. Please let you. Thank you very much. I woke up this morning with a taste of your kiss on my mind. What I'm feeling is what I've been ignoring. Your words, they're so divine. Late at night I find myself constantly thinking, silently speaking, and all of it comes back to you. How have I drifted this far, forgotten who you and I really are? You're in everything I do, every word that I speak. Say the word, and I'll hand you my heart. Every song I hear, baby, it reminds me of you. And the longer I hold out, the more thoughts come running through. How have I drifted this far, forgotten who you and I really are? You're in everything I do, every word that I speak. Say the word, and I'll hand you my heart. Hand you my heart. I'm laying my cards on the table, wish granted, simple as that. Yes, I've known all this time, deep down in this water, mine. Say the word, just say the word, and I'll hand you my heart. Hand you my heart. Hand you my heart. Hand you my heart. Thank you. Thank you very much. Listen, dear, I don't know what you're trying here. First you say that you love me, then you disappear into this infinity. What am I missing here? Why should I even shed a tear? You've done this so many times before. Should have seen you couldn't give me more. You drag me around 'cause you know you can. I say goodbye 'cause you can't be a man. Tired of hoping and trying, so I'll be the man and say you're gone. All in all, I know I'd rather see you fall without me clinging to your side. I'll just wait until this pain subsides. You drag me around 'cause you know you can. I say goodbye 'cause you can't be a man. Tired of hoping and trying, so I'll be the man and say you're gone. Ooh, you're gone. Say to me, honestly, that those lying eyes really ever cared for me. Oh, ooh, yeah. You drag me around 'cause you know you can. Say goodbye 'cause you can't be a man. Tired of hoping and trying, so I'll be the man and say you drag me around 'cause you know you can. I say goodbye 'cause you can't be a man. Tired of hoping and trying, so I'll be the man and say oh, you're gone.
Yes!
Thank you.
Soulful singing, that is. Thank you so much, Eryn.
You're welcome.
Listen, how long have you been singing?
Let's see. I've been singing probably since I could even walk. But professionally, I've been singing since age 14. So, and I'm turned 26 yesterday, so that's a good 12 years.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Now, everyone always has a story about how they came to be in Santa Fe.
Yes, yeah.
Share yours, please.
My story, pretty much my vocal coach, Lisa Carmen, who's been on this show, she moved here about 10 years ago, over that. And I visited her for the first time in 2005 as a graduation present. And I kind of fell in love with the culture of the whole area. I was born and raised in Montana, and to go from, you know, a lot of like cattle and farming and cowboy hats and everything. I come down here and it's just culture everywhere. There's cowboy boots, but you don't do the cowboy boots here. You don't really can't use those for the things you would use them for in Montana. But that's how I started visiting like every year after I visited here, and eventually I just ended up living here. So
Now, please tell us, what artists have contributed the most to your style of play?
I would definitely have to say that I'm very strongly influenced by like Sarah McLachlan and Jewel. Dido. Joni Mitchell, of course, is a very strong influence of mine. I've listened to a little bit of Joan Baez, but mostly people approach me and say, "Oh, you remind me so much of Joan Baez," which I really appreciate. All of my style comes from the heart, and I think that anyone, songwriter, singer, otherwise, that really delivers their music from a place of the heart is anyone I take inspiration from.
So well said, and it does sound like you're singing from the heart.
Thank you.
Now, everyone has a song that expresses their life experiences. Which one of your songs best expressed your life experiences?
Best expresses. I wrote a song called "What I Crave," that is probably one of the only autobiographical songs that I have written, and I wrote it just kind of as an experiment to see if I could do it, and I did, and it's probably one of my fan favorites. It's definitely my most popular one that I have on all my sites right now, but it's true to form about what I crave is this right here is writing and playing, and the song talks about, like, ever since, doing this from the time I was a little girl, and people who do this as a living and as even not as a living can relate that it's something that you're just ingrained with and that you crave it. If you're not doing it, then you're itching for it. Yeah.
And you are truly painting a portrait when you're up here singing and playing.
Thank you.
I do have to say, honestly. Now, where are you playing next? Folks need to be able to come out and see you.
Yes, they do. And I play quite a bit out on the town. I am playing next this Saturday at Upper Crust Pizza. That's the 13th from 6 to 9 o'clock. And then I will be playing next Thursday at Applebee's from 9 to midnight. I play for their happy hour twice a month there. So,
folks, be there. Eryn, please entertain us with some more of this wonderful music.
Okay.
Wonderful voice. Folks, let's give it up one more time. Eryn Bent.
Ever since I was a little girl, my whole world was music and song. I'd sing to myself in the corner. I'd sing a story of an endless love. I have a dream that I can be who I was meant to be, a true lover, young, wild, and free. Still that little girl I was back then, and I'll pour this heart out till the very end. It's what I crave. Love, how can I define one word sublime in a simple song? If it takes me my whole lifetime, I'll write and write till it all seems wrong to overthink this life so sweet. Who I was meant to be, sit here and think about your eyes burning into mine, I blush, turn red, because I'm thinking about those long nights. You touch me like a dream. My mind cannot wake from. I don't know when or how. You've really got me good. I'm hanging on every word, enchanted by your song. I'm keeping my distance. Distance seems too long, 'cause the way you hold me in your arms has really got me. I talk but I can't speak. You take the breath right out of me. Whatever I've done that's led you to me, you must have been good. As time has gone by, you've only captivated me more. Deep down, I'm scared that I have found the world's last perfect boy. 'Cause the way you hold me in your arms has really got me. Maybe I should walk away before the pain comes when you walk away. But every break I can tell, baby, it's worth it. It's who you are, show me I'm worth it. I'm worth it too. I talk but I can't speak. You take the breath right out of me. Whatever I've done that's led you to me, must have been good.
Woo! Soulfully hypnotic, Eryn Bent.
Thank you.
Folks, if you would like to appear on Homegrown Sounds, come on down to the SFCTV studios. We urge you to blow the cobwebs out those harmonicas, tune up those keyboards, tune up your guitar, and tell them Marcus sent you. Special thanks goes out to FSC Studios, Kirill, James, Annie, Niles, and Anna, my homegrown crew. And in closing, Eryn, could you take us home with a little racy riff to get us on out of here?
Sure.
Thank you.